Hey there guys, Ryan at Mike Thompson's RV over here in Colton. Today we're going to be showcasing a very special unit, one of our hottest selling floor plans. This is the River Wildwood 178 BHSK. Now they've done quite a few changes for their 2025 year floor plan. Most of it's on the inside, but we've got a few awesome changes here on the outside as well. First thing you see on your entry, we've got solid steps going into the interior. Every customer asks, is that an upgrade? And can we do this on our coach? They've done it for you at the factory. Tankless Suburban water heater. It's gonna be on demand. You guys are gonna run out of water before it starts getting cold on you. And you've got a beautiful outside grill here. 110 outlets and USB plugs, so you can plug in a portable refrigerator or charge your phones right there if you need to. We've got a beautiful LED strip going the entire length of the awning. Notice how big this awning is. It's almost the entire length of the coach. Most of your coaches this size, you're getting about half the size, and this does extend a full 8 feet out from the side of the coach. So for those of you looking to tow maybe a single axle unit, you've got some storage or tow rating restrictions, this is the perfect coach to where you actually get a little bit more size. You have a almost full size slide with the dinette here. It's going to give you an extra sleeping arrangement, but also open up the room. Look how much more room I have here. Throw a couple sleeping bags, maybe an air mattress down. But one of the concerns that was in the past year models was the dinette wasn't really suitable for every size person. We've got a brand new dinette system here. What this does is it's going to give you room to rotate the table. Maybe you're entertaining some guests, you want to play cards here. You can move it out here. Let maybe some of you heavier folks sit at the dinette there. All right. You've got full double over double bunks on this side here. The bottom bunk does lift up, and it does have a bracket to mount in the back to where you guys can stick some bikes, kayaks, surfboards, snowboards, whatever you guys are using it for. Plenty of extra storage space. You could even throw some bins under there. Walking into this full-size bathroom back here, you've got plenty of stand-up and turnaround room in the shower here, and you do have a puncture-proof door here. It's a newer system, not everybody's a fan, but it's going to hold up a lot better than just your shower curtain that you've been putting there for years. Full-size storage bay underneath the sink here, and a full-size medicine cabinet coming into the kitchen here. Massive 12-volt reefer here. These are going to cool down in about 2 hours. Don't worry about plugging it in overnight, and you get all the extra room without that condenser in there. 2-burner cooktop here. Got a massive furnace down there. It's actually rated to heat about twice the size coach, but you get it in a single axle unit. Isn't that great? Plenty of overhead storage here for pots, pans, dishes, paper towels. Now this is the biggest change they've made for the 2025 year model. So of course you're going to have a kind of Murphy bed style here, right? It's up in the couch position now, but if you drop it down here, fold the mattress over, full-size sleeping area. You've got some storage pockets on the side there, and as well as some hanging space here. So they've already got the coat hanger places in there for you. They're going the extra mile. You've also got a beautiful front window here, front windshield. So you're parked up against the lake, or you want to be able to look at the campground in the front of you, you can. But for those of you who aren't really morning people, they did include a nightshade there for you, so you guys are going to get to sleep in, no problem. And when you guys are ready to hang out for the day, it's easy as tucking this guy up here. Just like that. Once again, guys, this is the brand new 2025 River Wildwood 178 BHSK. If you got any questions about this floor plan or anything else you see on our website, come into Colton and ask for Ryan. Thanks.